폰 속에 흐른 멜로디 자꾸 네 이름 불러 softly 한두 번쯤은 아닌걸 이 떨림 다 알잖아 일십해도 괜찮아 I'm still waiting for you 새벽 2시 폰 스크린 라이트 혹시 네 연락 올까봐 괜히 웃고 또 기대해 너도 나와 같을까 Call me maybe tonight 달빛 아래 너와 나 작은 진동 하나에 심장이 또 뛰잖아 Baby hold me so tight 꿈결 같은 this spotlight 네 목소리 들리면 Everything feels so right 너만 생각해 all night 내 맘은 너에게 online Playlist 첫 번째 track 우리 추억이 loop it back 별거 아닌 메시지잖아 하루 종일 날 웃게 하잖아 괜히 cool한 척해도 티나는 걸 어떡해 네가 뭐해 보내면 세상이 다 멈춘대 새벽 공기 차가워도 네 생각에 따뜻해 한 걸음 더 다가와 이제 말
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showcasing the TNW A37 2026 edition. So this is the audio with noise cancelling and this is without it. So when you press here, it unlocks or locks the noise cancelling. So this is without the noise cancelling and hopefully it's good. This is the 2026. Alright, so returning back to noise cancelling. This is the one with noise cancelling, and if you guys didn't know, I have a fan running in the back of me. It's not too noisy, but it's noisy enough to make a difference if you're recording or such. Alright, so this is the one literally inches away. This is the audio quality. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be bad, but if you guys are curious how it sounds like when it's at the most windy type, then this is how it sounds. So this is the one with dead cat, and hopefully, even with this much electric fans, it's still clear. I can't tell anymore if it does run or not, but this is the TNW A37 2026 edition with probably the most extreme winds. And if you guys are wondering how far it is, here it is. So for the signal, if you guys are questioning me, so about the signal, how far it will go, let's see how far it goes. So this room, 15 feet, if you guys can tell, but I'm gonna be joking you guys how far it is by talking until you can't see me anymore. And this is at 10 feet. This is at 15 feet, and this is at 20 feet. I'm still walking, guys, and it's 25 feet. Please do remember this one in the close of the signal probably won't be. Alright, so it died at 50 feet. It's quite far if you guys think about it. This is an enclosed space, so this one is one without the enclosure. 35 feet. Alright, I'm gonna be doing it again. My camera fell, so this is again 2 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet, and I'm sure you guys can't see me anymore, but this is 20 feet. I'm just gonna be keep on walking 25 feet, 30 feet, 35 feet, 40 feet, 50 feet, 60, 70, 80 feet, 90, and this is 100 feet. 100 feet afar, but this is just not enclosed, guys. So if it's enclosed, it's only reaching until 50 feet, but if it's not enclosed, it's 100 feet. And I'm exhausted because it's a little far, but I'm still walking. I'm pretty sure you guys can see me, but I'm gonna be still walking until you guys understand how far I am. And I'm still talking, and any second now you guys are gonna be seeing me. And there you go, that's 100 feet of signal with the TNW A37 to 2026.
말해줄래? Call me maybe tonight.
Hello guys, this is the TNW A37 with windshield protecting, the face shield protecting the wind. So this one is with a dead cat, guys. It already has a dead cat, and also the windshield is on, so there's no additional wind in the face. Alright, so this is the one with no windshield, but it still has a dead cat, guys. I'm not sure if it's durable or not. There's so many winds, but I guess that's the point of having a dead cat, so you guys can listen properly. And I hope it does work. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you could at least spare me a like. Hopefully, this comprehensive 10W837 showcase review, it means a lot to you. And God, I'm exhausted.